The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a flash flood warning for
Not right now. I think you mean more like.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stafford County in southern New Hampshire until 2:36 a.m. At 2:02 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms producing heavy rain and 2-inch hail across the warned area. These storms were located 12 miles west of Dover and moving east at 100 miles per hour. Hazard: tennis ball-sized hail and wind gusts in excess of 70 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcam indicated. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Pets and animals left outdoors could be seriously injured. Homes and businesses will receive extensive damage from these thunderstorms. Locations impacted include Dover, Rochester, Farmington, Milton, Stanford, and York. This is a dangerous storm with tornadic wind speeds likely. Do not delay. Seek shelter now on the lowest floor of your home or business. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:36 a.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Stafford.
Get these the same weight and I'm going home.
Forged in Fire, all new Wednesday, September 18th at 9 on